Alright, I'm making another quick video. Hopefully it's going to be quick. So my wife let me know today that her car wasn't shifting into gear. She's got a 2012 Suburban 1500. So when you pull it back, it just there's no tension on it. So it made me think it was the linkage, the cable that connects to the transmission, and that's what it was. So I'll show you underneath real quick. For this particular model, you need the 14092 Dorman 14092. This is a 2012 Suburban 1500, and it works for this truck. My pickup truck is a 2009 Silverado 3500, and it's the same part. So it's probably going to work for quite a few Silverado Tahoes and Suburbans. So let me take you outside and show you what it is real quick. Alright, so here's where the tire is. Try to shine a light in here so you guys can see. Right there, you can see the grommet, the little plastic grommet that's on there. That's the yellow thing there that broke off.